We are the Security Threat Modeling for IoT-based Smart City eHealth Applications Group, working in the Sensor Systems and IoT Lab at Carleton University. Our society is becoming more and more information-driven. People are increasingly using the internet and digital tools in their everyday lives. We are surrounded by this rapidly growing ecosystem of connected devices, also referred to as the Internet of Things. Using these connected devices, we are able to generate an astounding amount of personal information. This information can be found in pictures and videos, web browsing habits, online banking, GPS locations, and health-related applications. Large amounts of health data are being produced not only in clinical environments such as hospitals, but also by people in their everyday lives using devices to track their lifestyle, monitor their health, or even manage chronic conditions. The complexity and breadth of these e-health systems pose an increasing number of security threats that can result in exposing personal information or even pose as a threat to one's life. To improve development practices, we must employ a practice known as threat modeling. Threat modeling can be used described as a process to optimize network security by identifying objectives and vulnerability, and then defining countermeasures to prevent or mitigate the effects of threats to a system. Our solution is OWASP Threat Dragon. In this tool, the user can generate a diagram of their system and the threat models their system from end to end. This involves detailing specific nodes on the system by adding a specific property. Also in this tool, users are able to configure threats and view appropriate mitigations while consolidating all the threats and countermeasures into a specific reporting interface. In this tool, the user can generate a diagram of their system and the threat models their system from end to end. This involves detailing specific nodes on the system by adding a specific property. Also in this tool, users are able to configure threats and view appropriate mitigations while consolidating all the threats and countermeasures into a specific reporting interface. We have added an extensive device list allowing the users to add mobile phones, pacemakers, laptops, and EKGs. Our enhanced threat engine now has 90 specific threats that illustrate vulnerability, ranging from eHealth specific to cryptography. To integrate the software development lifecycle, we have added issues and project tracking with Trello. In conclusion, the team has enhanced OWASP Threat Dragon over the course of the year. It has led to the development of threat modeling tools that aid users in understanding vulnerabilities within their system, allowing the ease of use within the software development lifecycle, and finally protecting consumers and their data from malicious attacks.